Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. It's a broken week 16. When we first talk about our new topic, it sounds terrible. Oh yeah. What happens when you break your leg? Oh dear, that does sound really bad. I have never broken any bone. I'm very, very lucky. But a broken leg, that does sound very bad. There are three main types of break, so sometimes it's not that bad. Sometimes that means that sometimes it really is bad. Well, we are talking about a broken leg, so sometimes it must be really bad. Well, I guess you've got to wait and see. So let's not forget three types of broken leg. One is not too bad. One is a little bit bad. And that leaves one more. Oh dear. Don't forget that we have great doctors to help you. I think wherever you live, doctors are amazing. We also have a little grammar to look at. I think the grammar this week is a little bit tricky, but it does have easy, clear rules. I think if you remember the easy rules, the grammar is easy. But can you remember the easy rules? That's the difficult part. What is it? Okay, this sounds bad as well. We are going to use the future perfect tense. I'm sure you've seen it before. It is a bit tricky, but we're going to use it a lot, just to give you lots of practice. It sounds bad, but there are just a couple of simple rules. Okay, follow the simple rules and it will become so much easier. So the future perfect tense. The future perfect is a verb tense used for actions that will be completed before some other point in the future. What? Okay, we've got 2 points and they're both in the future. One is before the other. The game will have ended by the time he gets out of bed. So we've got 2 points there. The game will have ended. The end of the game. By the time he gets out of bed. He gets out of bed. So we've got 2 points and they're both in the future. Okay. So let's look at it. The game finishes before he gets out of bed. We use will have and the past participle. Sometimes the past participle is called verb 3. Okay, don't worry, the more you use it, the easier it will get. It does sound easy. Yeah, it does. I will have eaten pizza before I see you again. 2 points. Eating pizza and see you again. They're different times. We use will have and the past participle eaten. That sounds like a good plan. There we go. So, we will use lots of examples this week. So, have a think and we will see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.